In this tutorial, we're going to learn on how we can stabilize a shaking video and also on green screen. So for example, here I have a video, and if we check the preview, the video is shaking a lot. The camera of the video is shaking a lot. So I want to stabilize that. So in order to stabilize that, I have an option here in the effects. If you search for WARP, that's warp stabilizer, this one, if you apply it to your video, it will try to analyze the shaking of the video and solve that problem, and we'll try to solve that problem, that is shaking of the video. So it is still being analyzed. So if you want to check on how far it has been analyzed, go to effect controls, and here if we scroll down, you'll see that it is trying to stabilize and it is still on 7%. So we'll have to wait for that. So once it becomes 100%, you can check the preview on how your video has been stabilized. So it is fully done now. Let us check the preview. So you can see it has added some stability to the video. So now let's see about the green screen videos. So okay, here I have some green screen videos. Okay, so the green screen videos are the videos which has a background of green color. So we're going to put this portion of the video on top of this video so that we can see only the characters moving and the rest part of the background should be removed, so that it looks like they are in one video only. So for that, I will bring the video portion, put it here, and then now once it has been placed in a proper position, we will need the help of an effect. The name of the effect will depend on the version of the Premiere Pro that you're using. If you're using for CS6 and lower versions, you can select for chroma key, but since it is not available in the higher versions, that is, I'm using Premiere Pro 2020, so for Premiere Pro CC and above, you might have to use the Ultra key. So this Ultra key, you can add this effect to the green screen video, and once you have added that, go to effect controls, and if we scroll down here, you'll see that the Ultra key has been added. Click on this eyedropper and select the color that you want to remove. It doesn't has to be the green color only, it can be different other colors. So you can select that particular color, and once it is selected and it appears here, you will see that the green screen has been removed. In the cases where it is not fully removed or not properly removed, you will have to check all these options here. So in these options, you'll have some other sub options, and in those options you'll have to adjust those points. But here we have properly removed all the green screen. So let's check the preview. So in this video again, we have some lagging. The video, you can see it lags a lot. So for solving that, we'll have to go to sequence, and we'll have to select this option, that is render selection. So since I have selected this one, it will be rendered so that we can check a proper preview of the editing that we have done. Once the rendering is done, you can check the preview, and you can see that the green screen has been properly removed, and it looks as if they are in the same video. So that is how you can remove a background of the video by using the Ultra key.